Guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at another stream API interview question. Find the union of two lists of integers. So basically we have two lists of integers given and we need to combine them into one list of integer. Okay, so we are expecting one list of integer in the answer, and answer, so stream dot concat. So this is expecting a stream, therefore we give list1 dot stream and list2 dot stream, and we collect it. Yes, that's kind of all that we need to do. And there we get our answer. So this was also a simple problem, and hoping you guys understood this, and this may come off as some requirement, so be prepared for all. And thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.